Anda mudapia ministrniki burunqi Xitayga-мәс'ۇл bo'lgan xodimi Joseph Bosco әпәндімні sözü teklif qilman. I'd like to invite Mr. Joseph Bosco, the former China director at the U.S. Department of Defense, to come speak for us.
Thank you. It's an honor to be with you. I commend greatly the tremendous work you're doing in the field of human rights and national security, really, for the people of East Turkestan and ultimately for the world and for the United States. This week we celebrated the anniversary of the fall of the Berlin Wall. That was the culmination of decades of tyranny in Eastern Europe and the Soviet Union that for far too long was tolerated and ignored and even excused by many in the Western world. It was always inconvenient to confront the Soviet Union on human rights because we had other issues at stake. Finally, it took a new American president, Ronald Reagan, to come into office and declare unequivocally the moral and human rights components of the Cold War. He called the Soviet Union an evil empire, and he called upon Premier Gorbachev to tear down this wall. Today we have another evil empire. It's been festering all these years, growing, developing, while we took our eye off the ball. Now we see in East Turkestan, Hong Kong, and elsewhere in the world just what this evil empire is capable of. I hope that our new president will have the courage and the wisdom to say what Ronald Reagan said. Mr. Xi Jinping, tear down these concentration camps. And one final thought that may or may not be comfortable for many in this room. I have been distressed as someone who has worked on Muslim outreach issues at the Department of Defense at the relative silence that we've seen from the worldwide Muslim community. I don't understand why they have not spoken out. Thank you very much.